In this video, I will show you every Discord Easter egg. Let's get started with number 1, Discord Revolution. Ever had the desire to compose songs within Discord? Well, now you can. Open up the Discord keyboard shortcuts by pressing Ctrl/, then use the arrow keys to create songs, like this one. While you're here, press HH, right arrow key, NK, to open up the Raging Demon. This causes an animation to play, which is based on Akuma's Raging Demon attack from the Street Fighter series. Pretty cool, right? By the way, I make awesome Discord content, so if you want to find these secrets and show them to your friends, hit the subscribe button down below. Only about 5% of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so it would really mean a lot to me. Hit the subscribe button, it's free, and you can always change your mind later. On with the video. If you remember Google's dinosaur run, when you can't connect to the internet, Discord has one too when you go to a wrong page. Go to discord.com/404, then press the button to the right of the hamster or enter in the Konami code. Up, up, down, down, left, right, BA, enter. You can now play Snake, or as Discord calls it, Snack. Help the snack eat snacks to go faster and longer. And when you lose, you heckin' did it. This one is back in the Discord client, and when you head over to the bottom left and press on your Discord username, it shows copied. But when you press on it multiple times, it will show double copy, triple copy, dominating, rampage, mega copy, unstoppable, wicked sick, monster copy, godlike, and beyond godlike. If you press the Discord home icon 15 times, it will play a sound that sounds like, or as my fellow Discord creator Stacks would say, Discardo
sound effect.
Further, if you press this another 15 times, it will now enable another sound effect, the Discord call leave sound. Using the Wayback Machine, I was able to pull up Discord's old login page from 2018, and on this there's a orange Mario box. Upon pressing it, we see flowers, mushrooms, stars, and other goodies come out of it. There's also a green beaker, and when we press on that, there's some bubbles that pop out. And you want to know what else pops out? Today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community that has thousands of inspiring classes for creators. You can explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. One class that I'd recommend on Skillshare is YouTube Success by Marques Brownlee. I recently took this course and it's really helped me shape my perspective on YouTube. You can find many classes on Skillshare, from photography, typography, and drawing. It's curated specifically for learning, meaning there's no ads and they're always launching new premium classes, so you can stay focused. So, what are you waiting for? Get lost in your creativity today by clicking the link down in the description below to get your first month free of Skillshare. If you don't think dark theme is dark enough, on Android, you can head to user settings and then go to appearance. Upon tapping the dark mode and rumbling it a couple times, it will enable the AMOLED option. And upon selecting this experimental option, your screen should turn black and it should enable almost an ultra dark mode for Discord. Search for something in the message search on Discord. If it doesn't exist, you'll see this magnifying glass. However, sometimes Discord will show the empathy banana, and sometimes the dropped magnifying glass. On the Discord developer portal at discord.dev, head over to the Rate Limits tab. Then identify the hyperlinked colon. As you can see here, we now have a spaceship with B1Z, one of Discord's previous developers. If we inspect element on this page, we can also identify the assets that are flying around, which include some other Discord employees and fun items. Head over to printer.discord.com, which will redirect you to a video clip from an old Canadian show called Vid Kids. Sometimes you might get a remixed version of the Discord ringtone. Users apparently have a 0.1% chance of getting this rare ringtone. When someone boosts a Discord server, either by using Nitro or by purchasing the boost directly, and the server has a boost message channel set, there will be a small purple crystal that will show up. As you can see, upon hovering on this crystal, there's some confetti that pops out. But there's a secret to it. If we keep on hovering over this crystal, back and forth, and back and forth, eventually, we will see, gosh, my luck is so, oh, a Wumpus character popped up in the top left corner. And last but definitely not least, we have an Easter egg that is so awesome that it actually changes you as a person. It changes one of your organs. And I'm about to show you exactly what it is. Head over to your user settings and then head over to appearance. As you can see over here, there's a couple options over here. And if you want to enable this Easter egg, wait until it's pitch black outside, practically at around midnight, and then turn on this option right here. Subscribe if you found those helpful and click the next video on the screen to watch an awesome video on secret Discord tricks. I'll see you guys next time.